Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to import and export brush codes. Brush codes are a textual-based description of a brush that can be exchanged with others as an easy way to share brushes. It is never necessary to understand any of the brush code. The codes are just an exchange mechanism. To import a brush code to TwistedBrush, go to the brush code, select the text starting from the line Start Brush Code to End Brush Code. Press Ctrl+C or right-click and select Copy from the pop-up menu. Go back to TwistedBrush, right-click on the brush shortcut that you want to import the brush codes into. Select Import Brush Codes from the pop-up menu. The brush codes from the Windows clipboard is automatically pasted into the edit area. There is nothing you have to manually do. Click the Import button to complete the import process. Note that the existing brush at that shortcut location was overwritten. To export a brush code, right-click the brush shortcut you want to export. Select Export Brush Codes from the pop-up menu. The brush codes for the selected brush are automatically placed in this area and automatically copied to the Windows clipboard. Click the Done button. You are now ready to paste the brush codes into a forum post, email or any place that accepts text.